Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will talk about HTML images, the HTML images are. Let us see what these things are. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Web page is a page which is seen by people on the internet. That is when we roam about on the internet. So we see different web pages. So the web page can be designed and its appearance can be increased by images. And these are some images which can be included in a web page. These are beautiful images, and this is an image about flowers. Now let's see what will be the example of an image. So this is the example of an image, and we can use this in our coding. This is first example, and similarly this is another example which we can write in our browser, in our VS Code, or in our notepad. And this is the third example. Now if we want to write the full code in a full format, then we will write this in an HTML document, and this will be the pattern, this will be the design of the HTML document. We see that at the top line doc type HTML, and then the second line is HTML, the third line is body, and this is head to H2, which is described by the H2, and it is heading number 2. Heading 2 or H2 defines the font size of the text. Here the text is HTML image. H2 is opened from right, and then it is closed. So we will see an image when we run this code, and if we want to run the code for second image, then we will write img image src is equal to img underscore girl dot jpg. All tag is girl in a jacket, width 500, height, and then we will run the code. We will get this image. And if you want to get the third image, then we will write img src is equal to img underscore shania dot jpg, and alt is equal to flowers and shania, and its width is equal to 468, height is 345, body and HTML cross. So this code will be written in order to obtain the third image, and this should be run in a notepad or any running software which you prefer. So when we run this code in our computer, we will get an image like this. There are flowers in this image which looks beautiful. So it increases the web page design and its appearance. HTML images syntax. The HTML img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The img tag creates a holding space for the reference image. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. This is similar to a br tag. Br tag is used for break, and the image tag is also similar to br or break tag, and these two are empty tags, that is, they are not closed at the end. The img tag has two required attributes. There are two attributes of the image tag, which is src and alt. So src means source and alt means alternate. So src specifies the path to the image, and alt specifies an alternate test for the image. These are the two attributes of the image tag in HTML. And syntax of the image is src is equal to url inverted commas closed and alt inverted commas begin is equal to under inverted commas begin alternate text inverted commas closed and greater than sign closed. So the src attribute can further be described as the required src attribute specifies the path or URL to the image. URL is the https colon slash or www dot etc. That part is called URL. It should be noted that when a web page loads, it is the browser at that moment that gets the image from a web server and inserts it into the page. Therefore, make sure that image actually stays in the same spot in relation to the web page. Otherwise, your visitors will get a broken link icon, and all text are shown if the browser cannot find the image. Broken link icon is an icon that displays on the web page, but that will not get the image because the browser cannot specify the image where it is kept or where it is held by the source file in your computer. An example is img src is equal to img underscore shania.jpg alternate flowers in Shania. So if we want to write this code in perfect way, in ordinary way, so this will be the coding. This img src is equal to img underscore shania.jpg odd is equal to flowers in Shania, and its width is 460, height is 345, and alternate your text is the h2. The alt attribute should be filled in the image content, and when we will get this type of image. So we will meet in the next video inshallah, and like and subscribe my channel, comment and share and support us. Thank you for watching.